Hey guys, welcome back to TechDo. In this video, I am going to review OnBuy HP.live. This is an earning website. With this, you can earn money online. So the link to this website is available in the video description. When you click on the link, you will get the interface like this. First of all, you need to create an account here. For that, enter username here, then a mobile phone number, then create a password. And click on register now. After registration, you will see the interface like this. Here you can see this is an earning app, and the good thing is when you deposit 38 USDT for the first time and you will get 8 USDT reward for free. You can also invite your friends on this platform and get 300 USDT. So here you can see we have different icons. First of all, we have company profile. Here you can see company profile, all details. Next we have promotion reward. When you click on it, here you can see all the details of promotion. If you invite your friends on this platform, you can earn 16%, 8% and 4% profit. You can read all the details from here. And next we have beginner tutorial. If you are new on this platform, here you can read all the details and information. Next we have invitation button. Here you can see your invitation code. You can also scan this QR code to invite your friends on this platform, or you can also copy this address. And next we have VIP events. Here are different events you can join to get bonus and rewards. At the bottom we have different tabs like home, order, grab, online and my button. If you click on order, here you can see your total orders, pending orders, completed and cancelled, all details of order. Next we have grab button. We will also talk about this later. And next we have online button. If you have any question or issue, you can email or chat with online customer support team. And next we have my button. Here you can see your total funds, available balance, recharge button and withdraw button. So first of all, let me show you how you can recharge your account. Click on the recharge, then click on next. If you top up $38 first time, you will get 8 USDT for free. So here I enter the amount 38 and copy this address. After this, I open my Binance wallet and I transfer USDT. Here I click on withdraw USDT. Here I paste the address, choose network TRC20. Here I enter the amount 39 because it will charge 1 USDT fee. Click on confirm. After the verification, open it again. You also have to upload the voucher here. You can take screenshot of your payment and upload here. And enter the transaction ID here. Then click on confirm. Within 2 to 5 minutes, you will get the deposit into your account. Now the next step is you have to complete daily order and you will earn daily commission 0.26% on daily order. Let me show you how you can do that. Click on business hall and here click on grab. So you can see you have got commission of 0.0467. Click on submit. And as you can see, we have completed one order and our total commission is 0.0467. Again click on grab and click on submit. So you can see our total order and total commission. So you have to complete 50 order daily. So I have completed 49 order and this one is 50th. So you can see my total order 50 has completed and my total commission. So the next step is how to withdraw your profit. Click on withdraw. First of all, you need to set your password here. Click on submit. And next you have to add withdraw method. Here enter your name, email, phone number, address. And here enter your USDT TRC20 address. You can copy it from your Binance wallet. After that, enter your transaction password and click on submit. Here enter the amount and enter transaction password and click on confirm. So you can see it submitted successfully. So with this easy method, you can earn money online. The link to this website is available in the video description, so must check it out.